Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be doing my Locs, dreads, wash day routine, and retwist. So I started by separating my hair into two parts. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray with 1 part ACV, 2 parts water. This mix helps get rid of dirt and buildup, so I do this about twice a month before I shampoo my hair. I make sure that I massage the ACV into the hair so that from the new growth to where the hair is locked, gets all the dirt out. Sometimes that's where a lot of the buildup is, where the new growth meets the lock. After I sprayed both sides, I waited about 10 minutes and then I rinsed. I wanted to be very thorough when rinsing out the ACV, just to make sure that all of the product was out of the hair. I poured the rest of the mixture into my hair just to make sure that we got all the buildup out. I mix my tea tree soap with my peppermint soap just to get that extra good clean feeling. I only use coconut oil to moisturize my hair, and there seemed to be a lot of excess buildup, so I decided to do a clay mask. She made sure to completely cover all of my roots first and then started working her way down the shaft of the hair. This clay mask will definitely get rid of all the extra coconut oil buildup that the ACV didn't get to. And I know you're probably wondering, coconut oil builds up? Well, yeah, around this time of year it's best not to use this as a moisturizer because cold hardens coconut oil. I left this in my hair for about 30 minutes and then I proceeded to rinse. The mask will harden, but it rinses off very easily. After rinsing off the clay, she shampooed my hair with Cantu for Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. She wrapped up my hair with a towel turban, easily found at any Burlington or Walmart. Okay, it's time for my retwist. There's a bit of a build-up left, but we figured we'd tackle it in next wash day. My hair hasn't been retwisted in about 4 months, so there will be a lot of pulling and tugging on the roots. This is the finished product, guys. The gel looks white now, but don't worry, it will dry clear. Now for some styling. It's my birthday month. Gotta look extra special. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button down below, shoot us a comment, and don't forget to like. Stay tuned for the rest of our videos. Bye!